Hey, Bo from Bilstein, Australia here with the new Prado 250. The eagerly awaited replacement of the old 150 that did about 15 years of loyal service to Australia. We've jumped into the new 250 and it's a definite step up, guys. It's been a great vehicle so far. Super comfort, a lot of tech. You know, leather seats, air cooled, electric tailgate, a lot of the things that you don't get in the 300 series until some of the higher levels. This being a GXL, it's very nicely appointed as such. But just quickly, I've got a B6 Off Road Bilstein here, which is a 46mm high pressure gas monotube shock. These have been bulletproof for years. They've got a pretty strong following in the Prado community. I wouldn't see any reason why it won't continue with the 250. We're looking forward to get some of these on the road. So accommodating a comfortable 45, 50mm lift. As usual with all the Bilsteins, we have multiple spring seat heights on the front here. So we've got normal ride height here, and then we can click it up and go a little bit further or whatnot if you had bar work or something later. Or you want to go a little bit higher than the 50mm, which is actually quite achievable in this vehicle. This particular one, we've gone up to the 60mm, which I'll talk about a little bit later. But yeah, the B6 Off-Road, Bilstein coil springs, we've got a couple options for the rear, in stock, ready to go for the front there as well. So looking forward to seeing these on some of the vehicles and getting some feedback off our customers. But generally, as I said, throughout the years of Prados, Bilstein has had a very strong following, and we believe this will be no different in the 250, and we look forward to talking to a few customers over the shows in 2025 and seeing how they feel about riding around on their new Bilstein. So it's a great car, it's a great package with the B6 Off-Road, and we look forward to seeing you out and about on the road and on the tracks with the 250. So thanks for your time.